Good evening, everyone. I just wanted to give you a brief update on a theft case, burglary case, which happened recently in Namnang area in the house of Mr. Neeraj Kumar Agarwal, wherein about 10 lakh rupees cash was stolen and a gold jewelry of two bangles, some silver coins, silver plate, silver glass was stolen. This happened on 23rd of this month, 3 days back, between 12 and 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So a report came to us by 4 o'clock. So immediately Sadar PS team went to the crime scene and they have examined. And in the night, again a team from the crime also went to the scene and they have examined the crime scene. Usmache, what we found was there is a typical modus operandi used by the people. So the way they have broken the locker and the way they have broken the lock of the door. So that's cannot be done by normal people. You need a bit of expertise, any technical expertise to use a heavy weapon and all. So typical modus operandi. So we narrowed down on one couple of suspects, habitual offenders who have done such kind of burglary before. So and we took the location and call details, CDR, and we found that that person was present in the afternoon in Lal Bazar, and by evening that person reached Siliguri. So we were pretty much sure that perhaps this is a person, and we sent a team immediately the next day to Siliguri, and based on the location, so we tried to reach, but immediately we couldn't reach. It's a big area, so we took the help of Bengal police, and finally with the help of Bengal police, so today in the afternoon the Sadar PS team led by Sub Inspector Shida managed to catch initially one person and then the other person. So basically there are two guys involved. I can't disclose the names at this point of time because we have arrested in the afternoon. Some legal formalities are still to be completed, and we have recovered some cash, not all the cash, and we have recovered gold also, the bangles that were stolen, and we have recovered the silver coins that were stolen, and also the bag in which the money was kept. And we are still to recover the weapon that they have used to commit the crime. And so cash, we still don't have idea how much the cash that our guys have recovered, but yes, these are the guys who have done this crime, and hopefully many of the theft cases which happened in the last few days, I think might be linked to the same gang. So we are exploring that angle as well. So hopefully we should be able to crack some of the other theft cases that happened in the last 1 week or so. Thank you.
सर तपाईँले लास्टमा भन्नुभयो नि कि यो लास्ट कति दिनदेखि यस्तो चोरी केसहरू हुँदैछ भने तर कपाल अफ यस्तो लगभग 1.5 वर्षदेखि नै रानीपुलदेखि अब तपाईँको ग्याङ्टक सराउन्डिङ जुन जिएमसी एरिया भनौँ न है, लार्जर जिएमसी एरियामा थुप्रोवटा एफआइआर केसेसहरू भएको छ, सदरमा नि भएको छ, रानीपुल थानामा नि भएको छ, इभन तादोङ ओपीमा पनि धेरैवटा केसेसहरू जिडी एन्ट्री भएको छ, र विशेष गरेर तादोङ डाँडागाउँ यो एरियामा पनि धेरै चोरीको केसेसहरू भएको छ। यसको चाहिँ कुनै यही ग्याङसँग रिलेटेड पाउनु भएको छ कि अरू छ सर?
नहीं, देयर आर डिफ्रेन्ट ग्याङ्स इन्भल्भ। एउटा बिचमा ट्रान्सफर्मर चोरी पनि भएको छ, इलेक्ट्रिकल वायरहरू ट्रान्सफर्मर काटेर, त्यो पनि देयर इज अ सेपरेट स्पेशलाइज्ड ग्याङ who switch off the transformer and take out the copper wires and all involved. That's and yeah, not only Bulbule, I think there are 3 cases which happened in a span of very short span of 2-3 weeks long back. Yeah. So what I'm trying to say is there are multiple gangs. So it's not just one gang, but the gang which we have caught is one of the most notorious gang, and they have done this sort of crime multiple times, and there are multiple cases registered against these guys. So I can say this is the gang which has been doing big crimes, burglary in a very like movie sort of way they are doing. So there are some snatching happening also, minor crimes. So as far as burglary is concerned, there's the big gang and there are other gangs also operating. And but I would like to say one thing: the number of burglary cases or theft cases, there are only in the last 1 week in the southern jurisdiction, we have recorded I think 3 or 4 burglary cases. But before that, there was no burglary case for almost 2 months. And I think since these cases happened back to back, it appears that there is an increase in cases. But if you take the overall numbers in the year, the number of theft or burglary cases are less. So for this year,
success rate of the investigation, sir?
yeah,
Because many cases of theft have been reported in the last 1 year. More than 200, I think, sir.
theft cases. I'm sorry, I'm afraid. होइन
सर
यस्तो होइन.
एउटा कम्प्लेन के छ भने इभन तादोङ ओपीमा होस् या कहाँ पुलिसले पनि एफआइआर लिन नमानेको, अन्ली जिडी मात्रै एन्ट्री गरेको भन्ने पनि धेरैजनाको गुनासो आएको छ सर.
No, we generally register all the theft cases and
इभन आई एम अल्सो भिक्टिम. तादोङ पुलिसले एफआइआर लिएको छैन, जिडी लिएको छ सर. आई एम अल्सो भिक्टिम हो.
so then you should bring it to the notice of higher authorities.
Okay.
So generally we ensure that at SP level मा चाहिँ जो पनि complaint आउँछ यस्तो खालको म ensure गर्छु they are registered and properly investigated. अगर यस्तो छ भने generally sometimes अगर cases register भएको छैन भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ थानामा त्यो complaint यहाँ पनि आउँछ. So I request the victims अगर यस्तो केही complaints छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ directly they can report to SP office also.
सर जुन एउटा गुम्पाको चोरी केस पनि एउटा भएको छ है, यो चाङबारीको एउटा केस छ, त्यसको योसँग केही छ सर नि?
I think this is a different one because yo gang che after this chori they left to Siliguri immediately. Fir this happened I think after almost 24 hours after this. So we don't suspect this gang behind this one. This gang doesn't generally go to gumpas and temples. ये जो खाली so यो राम्रोसँग रेकी गरेर they do it in a very planned manner like you see in movies. घरमा यो फ्यामिलीको बिजनेसहरू त्यो हेरेर यसको घरमा हुन्छ भनेर एउटा आइडिया पनि हुन्छ अनि उहाँको आइडिया हुन्छ. दे डु प्रपर स्टडी जस्तो गरेर चाहिँ वान फाइन डे यसमा पनि हेर्नुहोस् त. सो नर्मली यो घरमा चाहिँ 3 जना बस्छ. सो one son, father and mother. Son and father चाहिँ यो लुगा दोकानमा बस्छ डे टाइममा अनि मदर चाहिँ हमेशा घरमै बस्नुहुन्छ. सो त्यो दिन चाहिँ फर 3 hours सी वेन्ट टु ए फ्युनरल. अलिक नेबर हार्डली आई थिङ्क 50 meters, त्यो एकदमै कन्जेस्टेड एरिया. त्यो टाइममा यो भएको. सो बाई सी वेन्ट, सी लक दि हर हाउस 12 बजे एन्ड सी रिटर्न बाई 3 o'clock, 3 घन्टा. In between that this happened. When she returned, she found the door open. So the way they have studied, right? So when the old lady went out, then they attacked this house. So
यो एपार्टमेन्ट यो नि अरू तपाईँको कतिको केस आएको छ, तर पब्लिक कम्प्लेन हाम्रोमा आएको सिलिन्डरहरू पनि चोरीको केसेसहरू पुरा बढेको छ. घर घरमा जुन रेन्टेड मान्छेहरू जो रेन्टमा बस्छ, ड्युटी जान्छ, भरे बेलुका जाँदाखेरि उनीहरूको घरमा सिलिन्डर नआउने त्यस्तो केसेसहरू पनि पुरा बढेको छ. यस्तो कम्प्लेनहरू हाम्रोमा आएको छ. यस्तो एफआइआरहरू चाहिँ तपाईँकोमा लज भएको छ कि?
And sir, snatching also, snatching cases.
snatching also we have registered and अस्ति एउटा snatching case थियो old lady लाल बजारमा and we have caught that guy and similarly we have caught that guy also in Siliguri but we took some more time more than this. So in this case we could immediately nab the guys. त्यो केसमा चाहिँ अलिकति 15 दिन जस्तो time लियो but finally we could catch the guy from Siliguri only. So that case also was solved. But we did not bring it to the media especially, but that is solved. बाद में चाहिँ I think that was displayed that snatching case solved भएको छ भनेर from the police सदर from Thana side. So यस्तो सानो सानो cylinder चोरी, yes, I think they are happening. So I don't deny that, but police are doing their job to prevent such incidents. I think.
Sticking to the burglary cases, sir, what do you think, sir? Your reasons is it like police को carelessness होगी कि अब जीडी मात्रै गर्छ या फिर investigation राम्रो या पब्लिकमा ल्याक अफ अवेरनेस छ कि उनीहरूले अब आफ्नो सुन पैसा त्यत्रो ठुलो अमाउन्टहरू घरमा किन राख्नु, दे क्यान अलवेज किप इन द लकर होइन. सो डु यु फिल लाइक पुलिसले अलिकति अवेरनेस पनि क्रिएट गर्नु पर्छ?
Yeah, absolutely. People should also be aware. They should know they should not keep huge money inside the house. Bank harucha, they can keep the money in the banks, and bank ma locker pani huncha, they can put their gold items in the lockers. So and at the same time police is also doing its best. Definitely, perhaps we may have to create more awareness among the general public, not to keep huge money inside the lockers and all. Secondly, what we are trying is we are requesting everyone to kind of install CCTVs in their especially in the business establishments, market areas, bazaar areas, and also houses. So that could help both police and also the general public to prevent such cases. So because people would be knowing that they are being watched. If there are CCTVs, even they would be more careful. And secondly, it will be easy for us, I mean for everyone to track also. So in fact, in cities like Delhi and also there's a scheme called Eyes and Ears, right? So as much everyone is supposed to, all the business shops and all, they have to keep the CCTVs. Here we have not made it a mandatory thing, but I appeal to everyone. So that is one way we can do this. And secondly, whenever people find someone suspicious, so it's better to bring to the notice of the police immediately. A lot of times it happens, you feel someone is suspicious, still हामी चाहिँ नोटिसमा लाँदैन यो पुलिसको. So prevention is always better than cure.
सर यिनीहरू रेसिडेन्स सिलिगुडी हो कि या सिक्किम हो, यहाँ चोरेर सिलिगुडी भएको हो कि या?
I think they are not residents of Sikkim. As far as my information is concerned, I think they have roots from Nepal. So but they stay here as well, and they mostly stay in the Siliguri. यहाँ पनि बस्छ. So we took the call details since 1st of November. 1st of November देखि अहिले like till 23rd. So I think they were here for almost 17 days, last 24 days ma. So and whenever they come, I think
They are trying.
they're not, they come to, I feel they come to Sikkim with a purpose. So paisa चाहिन्छ, कुछ चाहिन्छ, then they come, they plan. So their base is I think Siliguri or some other place, but यहाँ चाहिँ एउटा target लिएर मात्रै आउँछ, they come. And one of the guys is wanted in our one of the drug cases. So that I don't want to disclose at this point of time. So he is very notorious in our drug cases also. So we have been looking for him in couple of big drug catches. His name has figured, but he's been elusive. We couldn't actually track him. So finally in this case we tracked him. So there are some drug cases where he is involved, one of the guys.